So as you can see here, this is pretty much the main screen of the application. Here, you're just gonna take a quick preview of what the application looks. As you can see here, just up one quick look. We'll just give you pretty much a run through of the setup and setup process. Nothing much. So all of them just tap on continue and so forth. As you can see here, we'll just give you a quick run through of how the application will work and so forth. So just tap on let's go through the process and you should be okay. So as you can see here, then on the best option here, tap on continue. Once you've done that, ask for the location, you can tap on continue here as well. Tap on this option here, and from this section here, all you have to do is to add your family. Or let's say you have already created your family, pretty much can just tap on and join family option. Now you can just tap on this here if it's the first time using the application or anything like that. Pretty much can go ahead and enter your email that we'll use for this here. I enter my email really quick, and once I've entered your email, you tap on the continue option. Here you pretty much will just load up screen here, and it will pretty much add the find my device option here. As you can see here, this is for me. So once you have add your email, it will pretty much tell you to set up your kid's phone, and once you have done that, you have to pretty much go ahead and download the kid application. So it will track your kid once you have allowed the access on the other device for the children. It will pretty much keep a track of your children and so forth. So you can either send them the link or share the link via WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever the case is. You're gonna send them to their WhatsApp. Install the application through that link, pretty much open the application, and then you go back to that link and go ahead and open that link. It will redirect everything and you need to join the family setup basically. So you can tap on the option where it says install without the link. If you tap on this option here, it will just give you a step-by-step process of pretty much how to set it up, as you can see. So with the link, you don't have to enter this code here. So once you download the application off Play Store, then you open the application, it will ask to enter the code. So once you've entered the code, you'll be able to pretty much track your children's, and yeah, that's really basically it. So that's how easy it is to use. So do make sure on the kids device you allow the locations and pretty much everything, so the application works very good. So that's really pretty much it. Very easy to set up, and once the device is linked, you're pretty much good to go and it will start setting. So that's really pretty much it as well. We do have the family option where you can join. So if you tap on the join from the option, you'll be able to join by entering the code. Once again, as well as you see earlier, that is the code that will be entered for you to chat each other. So that's really pretty much for this application. If you have missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, see if you can appear. See you in the next one.